My freshly baked chocolate chip cookies completely gone!
Stand back, Mrs. Gable. Detective Barnaby is on the case.
Clear signs of forced entry.
The culprit acted swiftly. Detective Barnaby is our footprints. Exhibit A, semi-sweet dark chocolate morsel. A snagged blue thread. The thief left behind vital evidence. Rest easy, ma'am. I will bring this cookie monster to justice. Let's review the evidence. Flour, chocolate, and blue wool. The print shape is strangely familiar. But who could it be? Wait! The flour trail didn't leave the house. It came right in here. Step for step, print for print. This culprit walks just like... No, it can't be! The trail stops at my chair. What's in my coat pocket? I didn't put anything here. Cookie crumbs! Fresh chocolate chip crumbs in my pocket?
The blue thread. It's from my fedora. It torn on the cabinet.
It was me! I'm the cookie thief! My tummy solved the case while I was asleep. If I hide the crumbs, no one will ever know, right? No. A real detective doesn't blame others for his mistakes.
Time to face the truth. Honesty is the best policy.
It takes courage to tell the truth, Barnaby. Help me bake more?
I ate them while sleepwalking last night. I'm so very sorry. Mrs. Gable, I solved the mystery of the missing cookies.
Case closed.
The mystery is solved, and honesty tastes delicious.